Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix Windows 10 automatic repair loop. Diagnosing your PC. Click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Click the username and password. Type dcolan. Find your Windows directory. Type cd. \Windows. /system32. /config. md backup. Copy. Start. Backup. cd. Break backup. Copy. Space. Start. Space. Type Y to overwrite all files. Type exit. Click continue. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.